On today's video, we're going to head down to DC and pick up the new wheels for the Mustang. Found some really cool wheels on Facebook Marketplace. This set wasn't even my first pick. The first set that I tried to buy, somebody was on their way to get them when I messaged the guy. We're going drifting this weekend at Ready Set Drift, and I really needed some new tires. So I've been wanting to go to 18s for a while now, and this set is going to work pretty well for that. This is going to be kind of a shorter video. The next video is going to be us actually at the track and drifting. So let's go get the wheels, put them on, take some beauty shots, and see how they work out on the track. I like them. They're pretty cool. I was just going to run the RTRs as fronts, but it's a good thing that I bought those 1552s because there is some big gashes in the sidewall of this tire. Looks like that was probably from going off-road or something. And then the other tire, this Mickey Thompson that was mismatched for the front anyway, is starting to delaminate a little bit. You can see that it's like really bald here. And there's actually some threads showing right here, so this probably wouldn't have made it through the weekend. So I'm gonna run the 1552s up front as long as they don't rub, and if they rub, I'm screwed. It's the night before we go to Ready Set Drift. It's dark because Amanda was very selfish and needed me to pack her car too. Kinda hoping they let me run this camera idea rig thing that I got. Maybe. Even got some tie downs for the 360 cam and the selfie stick. And I got this extra little arm from Smart Rig. I got this on Amazon and it makes it even more stable. So if I can get this Forza angle, that would be pretty awesome. Skyline looks pretty ready to go, and I figured I'd do a little B-roll montage of the Mustang in case I mess up these awesome new wheels, because accidents happen. Just a couple weeks ago in the spin art video, I was saying how I wish I had a really nice fat 5-spoke like a 1552 Tarmac, and now I actually have a set. I'm a really big fan of the RTR wheels that I've had on the car forever. I've had the OG RTRs since 2011, and then I bought the Tech Mesh in 2017. 19-inch tires are a lot more expensive than 18s, and 18s give you a lot more options. Also, with the angle kit coming in soon, I'm probably not going to be able to run a 19 on the front just because it's going to rub. Not too sure what kind of offset I'm going to have to run or what kind of spacer I'm going to have to run on the angle kit either. So having these 18s with kind of a weakish offset is going to make it a little more configurable and a little more manageable. If they're pressed in a little bit too much with the angle kit, we can space them out. But with it being plus 45, they're already sunken in quite a bit. Especially more than the RTRs. But I'm really happy with these wheels so far. The tires are mismatched. One set is Continentals, the other set is, I don't even remember. But they're probably just going to get burnt up anyway. But this weekend we'll try it out and see how it goes, and I think they'll work out really well. These tires seem a lot newer than what I was running, so I think they're going to be a lot softer and I'll actually get some traction this time. But I guess stay tuned for that video and we'll find out how that goes.